Please come up here on the first tier with me, starting with the Southeast District, Southwest, East Central. Nobody's coming.
Bye, ladies.
Here they come. First, Carol. Want us up here? Put in your order. So it'd be South, Southwest, East Central, Oh, forget it. Is Muriel still here? And who else is missing? Teresa Wade. Teresa's coming.
Teresa's coming.
There's supposed to be 7 of you guys. I'm not.
I don't know when I come close. Kim's coming. Kim's right
While you're doing that, our Everett group got together for our Everett picture. Nobody brought a camera.
Curtis will take your picture.
7.
We have 7 people. We're ready to go. Okay? Ladies, this installation begins a new chapter in your GFWC life. It is most important chapter, for now you are the caretaker of your district. Just like a shepherd, you tend to your flock. Be mindful. In your clubs and district, you have shown your leadership skills by becoming an involved member, a committee member, a committee chairman, a club officer, and now you have been elected to serve as the president of your respective districts. What an honor. I'm going to give you something for you to hold. Carol. Share. Wait. You just hang on to him. This is a big step, a very important step. Your district members have trusted you to guide them, to help them succeed, and to help them grow. The duties of district presidents are many. They come from GFWC Michigan and your own district bylaws. You should familiarize yourself with them and rely on them. Never hesitate to ask a question or to find an answer. They come from being kind and courteous to all members. They come from your enthusiasm and your experience. They also come with the traditions that make your district unique to your members. However, nothing should ever be written in stone. Along with progress comes change. It is a bigger responsibility than just serving on a board or planning an annual district meeting or doing a dreaded report. It is work, it is planning, it is teaching, and it is listening. In honing your skills, you had sharing information with your members. It is always being a leader, but also being a friend, a GFWC sister, and always remember to be kind. So tonight you have accepted the responsibility and the challenge. You need to always be prepared, helpful, and involved. Spend time with your clubs. Each of your members have different needs and different expectations. Get to know them personally, not only guiding them, but having fun with them too. So would you please raise your right hand and say the pledge. I'm going to say the pledge to you that you will say, I will. To each of you pledge to carry out the duties and responsibilities of the district presidents to the best of your abilities, and do you promise to uphold and promote the goals of this organization at all times? If so, say I will.
I will.
Will the members please stand? Do you promise to honor and support your district president as she takes on this new role and this new role of leadership? If so, say I will.
I will.
Please be seated. I'm going to present these people first so you know their names, but then I have little things for you. This is Carol Spelling, the president of the Southeastern District. Sharon Russell, the president of the Southwestern District. Ray Lynn Hicks, East Central District President. Pam Ellis, the Northeastern District President. Louise Swope, Upper Peninsula President. Therese Witten, are you listening, Muriel? The Northwestern District President. And Shelley Barron's West Central District President. Now, to save time, my thing won't stay up here. I have already put things in your bags, except Carol, yours is empty. Carol's my district president. But I'm going to tell you what all you have in your basket. You're all getting a gold number pin that represents your district. You all know you're 1, you're 2, you're 3, you're 4, you're 5, you're 6. And Shelley, what number are you? 7. And this you would wear anytime you do anything as you represent your district. It's a show of pride. It's a show to your members that you are proud of them, and to let them know that they should be proud of you. Now, you know me, I'm always on the ball with do things correctly. So on with your number, there is a card. And when I was taken into a position, I was given this card, and I can't tell you how much I've used it. So I made this card for you all to have with you at all times in your purse, because the watchword of a district president is always be prepared. So on this card is the Club Collect. Now we all know the Club Collect, but I have a dear friend who stood next to me many times as we were doing things, and sometimes she would go astray. I'd follow right along. And you know when you're up here and you think you know it, all of a sudden you lose your place. You'll always be prepared. On the back of it is a pledge to the flag of Michigan. Some people do not know it, and you may be asked to lead it. There's also a lovely invocation, because sometimes you might be called on to just stand out and give an invocation. There's also a grace, so you're always prepared whenever anybody calls on you. So I'm going to pass these along, and if you would, just take your number. Now, being the parliamentarian that I am, you already have these because I wanted to make this a little shorter, but Carol, I'll put it in yours as an example. It's a little card you carry in your wallet that tells you everything you do to make a motion and handle motions in your club. Because there's always somebody in your club who's going to challenge you. And this keeps it personalities out and just the rules in. So Carol, here's your card, and you all have these. Next is a big, bright, shiny compact. to make sure your big, beautiful smile is always on straight. A smile is the best thing that takes people together and brings people together. So here's your compliment. And last but not least is a roll of lifesavers. And they're to help you take a breath through those challenging moments. And you will have challenging moments. Congratulations to each of you. Having worked with each of you, I do know that you are all up for the job. Best wishes for a beautiful and wonderful and successful year. And never hesitate to ask a question, answer a question, or just ask for a hug, because there are times when that's what you need more than anything. Congratulations and best wishes.